Hello children, welcome to English class children. We are in block 6, visualizing the story. Lesson number 2 is sound words. Today we are going to learn sound words. And keywords of the lesson are thwack, snap, crack, shush, shush, thump. In story we have all these sound words children. Yes, in Pranav's friend story we have learned already. All these thwack, snap, crack, shush, shush, thump, all these words are there in Pranav's story. Now let me explain you some more sound words children. Okay, if you see children, cupboard, door, some of the doors will make this noise. Listen carefully. Yes children, how the sound is making noise? Krrk, krrk. Yes? Sound word. Krrk. Okay, and if I pull the chair children, you can hear the sound children? Yes, that is called sound words. Now dropping of the pen. I'll drop this pen. This one also will make noise. See. Tuck, tuck. Yes? Tuck, tuck. Yes, children? Okay, so all these are sound words. Okay, now again we will read Pranav's story. Let us see how these sounds we are getting, from what are the things we are getting the sounds. All of you open your English reader. Pranav's friends. Turn the page, page number 36. It was Pranav's turn to throw the ball. His friend Saket was batting. Saket hit the ball with the bat. Thwack! The ball flew into the bushes. Children, with pencil just underline this thwack. Okay. So, what are the things that are making thwack sound children? When Saket is hitting the ball with his bat. So, we are getting the sound thwack. Come to the next paragraph. Snap, crack, twigs broke and leaves fell on the ground. Oh no, said Pranav, be careful not to hurt my friends. Saket was surprised he could see only trees and bushes in Pranav's garden. Underline snap and crack. So from what are the things which are making this noise children? Snap, crack, twigs broke. The twigs are making this sound. Fine. Come to the next paragraph. But where were Pranav's friends? Pranav found the ball and patted the bushes. These bushes are my friends, Pranav said. All the trees are my friends, but I am your friend. Saket said. Of course you are, Pranav nodded. But I talk to you and play with you, Saket said. And yesterday I shared my chocolate bar with you. That's what real friends do. Pranav pulled Saket under a tree. Listen, he whispered. Saket listened. The wind blew and he heard the tree say, shush, shush, shush. Now take your pencil children and underline this. Shush, shush, shush. So how we are getting this sound children? The wind sound. This is the wind sound. Okay children? Next paragraph. My friend is inviting us to sit in his shade, Pranav said. And Pranav sat on the ground. Saket sat down too. The wind blew again. Some leaves fell on the boys. Thump! Saket jumped as some twigs and sticks fell into his lap. Pranav laughed. Now my friend is teasing us, he said. Children, take your pencil and underline thump. Okay, children, how we are getting this thump sound? Saket jump. Okay. Now, is that tree your friend too? Saket asked. He pointed to a tall tree across the garden. Pranav nodded. That is a mango tree and it shares all its sweet mango fruit with me in the summer, just like I share my chocolate with you. said Saket, looking around the garden with a smile. Pranav was lucky to have so many friends. Turn the page, children. The boys played in Pranav's garden all day. Saket always tried to hit the ball away from the bushes. As he was leaving, Saket waved goodbye to all the trees and bushes. And the trees also waved their branches and said, Shusha, shusha, shush to their new friend. Shusha, shusha, shush is what, children? The sound of wind. Okay, children? So, we have underlined all the sound words. Now, I will show you on the board. This table. Now, children, let us see this table. Sound words, things. These are the sound which are given in the lesson, children, which are given in the story. Let us see. Twak. So, who is making this sound? Okay, what are the things making this sound, children? So, ball and a bat. When the ball is hit by the bat, twak sound is, we are getting twak sound. Okay, next, snap, crack. So, snap, crack. When we are getting this sound, which things are making this sound, children? Twigs. Shusha, shush. Shusha, shush. This sound trees are making. When the wind is blowing, the trees are making shusha, shush sound. Thump. Thump, from where we are getting this sound? What things are there? Jumped on leaves and twigs. When Saket jumped on leaves and twigs, thump sound. We are getting thump sound. Yes, children, from the table we have learned that different things will make different sounds. All the things will make sounds? Yes, children, all the things will make sound? No, all the things will not make sound. If you take, for example, this is a sponge. I will throw it. Okay, I will drop it. Can you hear any sound? No sound. This is a cloth. Okay, children, I am dropping it. Do you hear any sound? Tell me. No. Okay, so all things will not make sound. Okay, children, there are some things which do not make sound. Children, all of you open your workbook, page number 37. Write the date, children. S2, sound words. First one, read the sound words. Draw pictures of things that make these sounds. A bit, twak. So from where do we are getting this sound, children? From bat and ball. So what you have to do? You have to draw a bat and ball. Next, B bit, snap, crack. So which things are making this noise? Twigs. So like this, twigs you can draw. Twigs are what, children? Small pieces of dried leaf stick is called twigs. C bit, thump. From where do we are getting this thump sound? Which things are making? Leaves. When Saket is jumping on leaves, jumped on leaves, we are getting thump sound. Leaves and twigs. Draw like this, leaves and twigs. Now D bit, bow bow. Who will make this sound? Oh my God, bow bow. Who will make? Huh? Dog. Yes, very good. So draw a dog here. Okay, children. Now second one. Name one more thing that makes a sound. Write the sound word. Okay, now there are so many things that make sound, but here we have to write the thing and the sound. Children, let us take our school bell, children. Yes? Bell. B-E-L-L, bell. What sound it will make? Tring, tring it will make. Ding, dong it will make. Okay, children? So let us write tring. Tring, tring. Okay? Now, third one. Name some things that don't make sound. Yes, in the class just now I showed you. Clothes don't make any sound. Cotton, children, if you drop cotton, cotton will also not make any sound. And sponge, S-P-O-N-G-E, sponge And one more thing we have to write. Let us write bindi, children. Just to drop the bindi and hear the sound. If bindi is making any sound or not. Okay, children? Do your workbook neatly. Now let us open our classwork. Yes, children, open your classwork. Write down meanings, side heading, okay, and then underline with your color pencil, red color pencil. Okay. First one, nodded. Moved the head up and down to answer yes. Patted, touched someone or something gently. Surprised, a feeling caused by something unexpected. Fourth one, whispered, spoke softly. Yes, children, all the 4 meanings you can copy with the help of reader also, children. In the reader, page number 40, here all the meanings are given here, children. You can copy from the reader also. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Do your work in time. Meet you in the next class.